Ugh! No. Why
Watch,
would you do that, man?
watch where you're going.
Oh. Ugh!
So what happened? I installed these a few months ago, and now the light fixture has dropped the ball. The screw must have loosened. I'll need to climb up there and adjust it. You gonna help me? Okay, ladder is set up. Hopefully it's tall enough. You can see this little collar thing drop down that much. Used to be up there, so I need to move it, loosen the set screw, and then move this part, stuff the wire back in, and then tighten it better. This light is on the dimmer, so I'm gonna cut the power by pulling this tab so I don't get shocked. I'm gonna remove this glass ball so it's easier to work with. And then afterwards I will put the ball back on. The mirror surface needs to also polish a little bit. Okay, after some polishing, I think it's good enough. So now let's go back. I think it's just a cautionary tale that if you were to install this kind of light, make sure you do it right the first time. Tighten the screws to make sure the wires don't fall down. I think the glass globes are pretty heavy, so over time it can get loose and droops down.